Sounds like a pulley or something.
Yeah, I hear that.
Making a little, it goes right away though.
It does.
You give it some gas.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know what that was.
She's dead.
Oh, it died? So hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to start this video off by getting the Caprice down to the car wash, getting it cleaned up, and we're going to take some pictures of it, get it ready for sale. Alright, she's cleaned up, ready for sale. We got somebody on the way to come check it out. Hopefully he'll buy it. So there goes the Caprice. I know it's a little dark, but hey, it's how it goes sometimes. She's out of here. We got $2,800 on that one. I know it's a little less than what we wanted, but hey man, he got a hell of a deal on that one. He's very happy. So there it is, that one's out of here. Hey, we're heading over to the Copart lot to pick up our next purchase. Let's see what we got. Oh, there it is. I mean, I really don't see a lot wrong with it visibly. We'll get a closer inspection here in just a minute, but this car seems to be in great shape. I don't see any dents or anything. I've seen a little scuff on the front bumper. Looks like it'll probably buff off. Check that out. Don't leave your car out here. That's probably good advice. We've got a nice little dash pad protecting the dash. I don't see any cracks in it. Awesome. No unsightly stains, no rips, no tears. I mean, look at the headliner in this thing. It's perfect. That is really awesome. Back seats equally as clean. I might got a little dust there. No rips, no tears. Man, so far, score. Looks like we got some good tires on it. Well, good deal. So hey, turns out one issue with this thing is that the battery was bad. So Randy ran up to grab a battery right quick. As soon as he gets back, we'll throw that battery in here and fire this thing up. I can't get over how clean it is. This is awesome. This thing is a clean title car. This is not a rebuild, salvage, anything like that. The price was right on it. We'll go over the numbers here in just a little bit. Let's hear it fire up first. I'm curious to what we got ourselves into here. And like I said, we'll let you know what we got into, how much we paid for it out the door, all that good stuff. But man, judging by first glance, you know, I mean, this thing looks great. It's awesome. I'm pleased with it so far. Let's see if the next scene is me cussing because it's got a rod knock or it won't get in the gear or something. We'll find out more when we get that battery in it. Alright guys, we got the battery in. We're hooking up a jump pack. We're going to see if this thing fires up. Alright, here we go. Sweet. Alright, she's running and I don't hear any crazy sounds. No knocking, no tapping, no clicking. No smoke. What do you think, man? You think we got lucky?
I hope so.
I hope so too.
The trick is the transmission any good.
I know, that's the next obstacle, yep. So far we've got the engine. Now let's see if we got gears. All right, guys, we're gonna take this thing on the first drive, see if it's got gears. Fingers crossed.
All right. We're gonna see if this thing has any gears here. Think I can make it off this curb?
I think so.
There we go.
Scrape. Goes the oil pan.
There we go. 2 more. Sounds like a pulley or something.
Yeah, I hear that.
Making a little. It goes right away though.
It does.
You give it some gas.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know what that was.
She's dead.
Oh, it died? Oh no, shit. I wonder what that was. What if it's that battery? Man, it's almost dead. That was quick.
Did you hear that?
I heard it.
That sounded like metal or something.
I don't know. Let's get out and look at it. All right, we are on the side of the road. Oh no! I mean, the oil in this thing looked like brand new, so I don't know. I don't think we're catastrophic failure, but I mean, it's full of coolant.
How about the trans?
That's a good question.
Bright pink.
Oh yeah, somebody's been messing with it.
Really?
Try to fire it up. Damn microphone keeps coming up. Okay. All right, here we're gonna try this again. All right, she fired right back up, no issues. Huh. What do you think, man? That battery being so dead, maybe? We put a battery in here that's been sitting in storage for months. It was pretty well dead when we put it on. We had to hook up the jump pack, as you can see. Maybe this battery is just too dead. I don't know. I'm gonna put it in gear. I mean, we're going right into gear. Huh. Now it does make this weird little noise. Sounds like a pulley rattling, but I don't know. What do you think, man? It kind of sounds like a pulley rattling.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
Because that fan's not even turning right now. Is it?
It doesn't so much sound like it's coming from over here, though. It's coming from
back here, maybe? I don't know.
Well,
all right, we're gonna try this again.
We got Mike driving this time. I'm not doing it again. There's second gear.
Yeah, we got a shift. That was another shift, wasn't it?
That's third gear.
Yeah, all right. Doing good so far.
I think it's only a 4-speed.
Oh, there she went. She's gone. And another breakdown. As soon as it shifts, it's right in time with that shift.
Yeah, that's what's concerning.
Well, here we are, broke down. That's how it goes sometimes. Randy went to pick up a battery from AutoZone. Fingers crossed is that fixes it. We'll see. Well, you guys, we got the battery in. We're on the way home now, and this thing is running great. scared me. I'm not gonna lie, man. That's very nerve-wracking when you're on a budget and you buy a car that you don't really know anything about, and you get there and it don't run. So problem solved. Battery was the issue. We kind of figured that's what was going on, and as you can see, I mean, we're cruising down the road. The temperature gauge is fine. It's running smooth, no issues at all. We'll get this thing down there to the Weird Beard lot, and this one looks like it's going to be pretty easy. We're just going to give it a quick little wipe down, throw the numbers on it, put it up for sale. All right, everybody, so we made it home okay, as we mentioned before. This thing ran great, no noises, no squeaks, rattles, nothing. But unfortunately, when you would come to a stop sign, or anytime you'd let it idle in general, it would make that weird sound. It was just a weird freaking sound. It sounded like a flywheel, torque converter, something like that. So I brought it straight home, threw it up on the ramps, got underneath it, took the cover off. There's this weird, it's really not a dust cover, it's more of a big block piece that goes in there. Got that out of the way, and took the the torque converter bolts out completely. Started the car up, no noise whatsoever. So it is definitely the torque converter. This transmission is going to have to come out. That's the only way to fix it. Cheap fix. Torque converter won't be very much. Unfortunately, a lot of labor, but hey, whatever, man. Let's just get to it. All right, we're just gonna repeat the same exact process over here on the passenger side. We gotta get all this hub and brake and strut, everything loose, pop that shaft out of there, and then we just got a few more bolts after that, and we start dropping this transmission down. All right, so what I got here, chain to the engine hoist. It's chained down here to the transmission itself, pretty close to the center. We're gonna pull tension on this, undo the mount here, and then let it down. Underneath, I've got a jack stand right underneath the oil pan on the engine, so that'll support the engine. On the last two bolts, she should come loose after this. So, hey, we got some packages in the mail. Randy sent this to me. Pretty curious of what it is. Let's check it out. Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Been a huge supporter of my channel. In fact, I'll go as far as to say if it wasn't for Randy, we wouldn't even have a channel. Check the, oh dude, check it out, man. That sounds like Goon Squad, good grief. Look at this. I've been needing one of those so bad. In fact, my gimbal is broken and it's like hanging by a thread. So dude, we need that so bad. Protective case for the GoPro. I've already went through like 2 or 3 lenses with all the sparks we got flying around here all the time. So this will be very helpful. Check that out, man. That's pretty freaking sweet. Hell yeah. Let's try this out, man. They got 2 packages. Check this out. Actually, I'll probably just rip this right off. Dude, what is this? This is a cordless microphone system. Man, I've been having so much problem with my audio. It just kind of comes in and out sometimes, and I don't even know it until I go into the editing and I'll realize it's all fuzzy and stuff, and I'll have to cut in and do voiceovers and things like that to try to fix it. Dude, check this out, man. This is gonna solve all those problems. Look at that. That's everything we need, man. This is what I've been needing for a while now. All right, everybody, so after a long night last night, we hustled, we got this transmission out. Next morning, bright and early, we ordered a new torque converter for it, and we were told by AutoZone that we got the order in early enough that it would be here by 4 in the afternoon. It's 8 o'clock at night. It never showed up, whatever. AutoZone strikes again. I've had it happen a few times. I'm sure it won't be the last. So, unfortunately, we're going to go ahead and cut the video off now. I'm disappointed too. I wanted to make a whole video of this thing just start to finish, but whatever. Next video, this thing, we'll have it all, we'll get it all buttoned up, hopefully claim victory, and move on to the selling process and just getting it on down the road. So, hey, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Don't forget my Instagram. And next video, man, we're gonna have some sweet sounds thanks to all this stuff Randy got us. So no more faulty audio. Again, thanks. Appreciate that, Randy.